Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 17. Okay, in here I will create new part. You can click here, part, and then I will click start to sketch, choose these plans or set plans. The next I will create lines with these line tools. You can create stuff from this point, move into origin point and click in here. Now you can use dimension tools to set dimension into this line objects. We can set 45, and for this line objects we can set into 40. The next, for angular between these two lines objects, you can set 35 degree. Use fillet commands. We can fillet at these two lines objects. You can set for fillet with radius 3, and you can select this lines, also this line object. So it will be automatically fillet with radius 3. The next, we draw lines again. I will draw stuff from this point to the top in here, and then you can move into this point. We can set for dimensions in this line objects. I will set into 10. In here you can set into 6. And for this line object, we can set into 8. For angular, for this line object with these lines, you can set into 36 degree. Now use offset command to offset these objects. You can click these tools, offset. Now you can select these objects and you can offset inside here with offset distance 2, press enter. Use line command to connect between these objects. You can click at this point. Also, I will create in here. And the last from this point to this point. Now, if you done, you can click Finish Sketch. And to convert into 3D, we can use Extrude tools. You can click here, Extrude. For the first, I will select at this face. We can extrude with extrusion 5. The next, you can orbit and you can click in extension 1. You can right click in sketch 1 and check for visibility. In here we use extrusion tools again. I will extrude at this face. And don't forget to set reverse. We can set for distance 25. Click OK. And the next, we extrude again at this face, okay, in this sketch. Don't forget to flip. And for extrusion, we set into 15. Click OK. Now you can hide this sketch 1. You can right click and uncheck for visibility. The next, I will create again. At this face, simple sketch, you can select and click start to the sketch. In here we can draw simple lines. Okay, you can click here line tools and I will draw stuff from this point. Move into here. Okay, click at this point. And the next you can click in here. Now you can press escape button to close. And we can use offset tools. You can click here, offset, select at these objects. Offset into insert in here, we set for distance 2 and press enter. Now you can select this line and press delete button. Use extend tools to extend this line object. And then I will use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, sorry, in here we need to connect between these two objects. You can click here, line tools, and we need to connect. Okay. Also, we can connect in this point. If you done, you can click Finish Sketch, and we can use Extrude tools. So you can select at this face. We can extrude with extrusion 1, press enter. The next, I will use fillet commands. You can click here, fillet. And in here, you can select at these objects. Okay, also at this point, click add to add fillet option. In here, I will click inside here. and also at this point. Now you can set in this fillet, we set radius into 5, and in here we can set radius into 7. Click OK to apply. The last you can select at this face, and then we create a new sketch again. I will draw with these line tools, and we can draw stuff from these points, move into here, and then we can connect at this point. Click again in here, and then move to the top. The next you can click at this point, and then connect into this point. Now in here we can use these tools, these tools, parallel constraints, and you can click this line with this point, so it will be automatically parallel. You also can set for fillet in this line. You can click here fillet, set into 5 for this corner, and the next set into 7 in this corner. If you done, you can click finish sketch, and in here we use extrude tools to extrude at this face with extrusion 6. Click OK. And you can use chamfer tools to chamfer at this edge. You can set for distance into 6. Click OK. The last, we can use mirror tools to mirror these objects. But first, I will use fillet command to fillet at this edge. You can click here fillet, and we select at this edge. Also in here. Now you can set for radius in this fillet, we set into 3. Okay, in here set into 3. And outside in here we set into 5. You can click to add new fillet and select at this edge. The next we set into 5 for radius. Click apply and OK, you can click here to close. Finally, I will use a mirror command. You can click here mirror. For feature, we select this all objects. And for mirror planes, you can select at this face. Click OK. So it will be automatically mirror. And now we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 17 with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.